Welcome to this quick guide on unfollowing a channel on WhatsApp Web on PC, updated for the latest changes. If you've accumulated a few too many channels and want a cleaner chat experience, this step-by-step walkthrough will have you unfollowing in seconds. First, open WhatsApp Web and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're on the latest interface to access channels smoothly. You'll find the left side navigation bar where your chats, status, and calls live. On this bar, look for the new channels option and click it. This is WhatsApp's centralized hub for the channels you've joined, so you can manage everything in one place. Next, browse through your channels to locate the one you want to unfollow. You can scroll through the list or use any on-screen search if it appears in your version. Once you spot the channel, click on it to open its page. Here you'll see the channel's recent posts and details, but your focus is on removing it from your followed list. In the top right corner of the channel page, you'll notice a menu represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on those dots to reveal additional options. From this menu, select the Unfollow option. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Confirm again to finalize the unfollow action. After confirming, you'll be returned to the channel's overview, and the channel you unfollowed will no longer appear in your followed list. This helps declutter your channel feed while keeping the rest of WhatsApp Web intact and responsive. If you want to manage multiple channels, repeat the process for any other channels you'd like to remove. It's a straightforward toggle and there's no deletion of your account or data. Unfollowing simply stops new posts from appearing in your channel feed while preserving your chat history and group chats. A quick tip: if you ever change your mind, you can always refollow a channel by reopening channels, finding the channel, and selecting follow or rejoin from its page. This makes channel management flexible without any permanent changes to your account. That's all there is to unfollowing a channel on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you found this helpful, drop a like and share it with someone who's trying to clean up their channel list.